Hey everyone, today I am here with a new refreshing recipe during summers with lots of nutrients. So that is mango coconut salad. So come, let's cook. First, in a bowl add 1 cup of coconut milk. Then add a little bit of coconut water. Next we're going to add the mixture of condensed milk and fresh cream. You can adjust the quantity of condensed milk according to the sweetness you want, or if you don't want to use the condensed milk, it's fine, you can use honey also. Now we're going to add the mango puree. So here I have taken 2 mangoes and made a fine paste of it without adding water. Mix it well. Next we are going to add the cutted fruit. So here I have taken some dragon fruit, apple, mango, grapes and banana. You can take any fruits of your choice which you want to use it. This one is a must try dish during summers because literally it gives you a refreshing feeling and it is loaded with full of nutrients. Now last, add some crushed dry fruits. Mix it and keep it in the refrigerator about 1 to 2 hours, and after that you can have it. So here the very refreshing and tasty mango coconut salad is ready.